Hi everybody, I'm Alex Steele and you're watching ModShapes. What you're seeing is a Hotronix heat press. It's about 23 years old and it needs a little love and care. The first problem with this machine, despite the fact that I tried to put some linoleum on the top part, the under part was not covered and the wood has degraded over time. And every time I pick this up to move it, there's a risk of getting a splinter. I need to wear work gloves with it. So I needed to fix the base. In addition to that, these gas shocks that work to assist in lifting and lowering and get the right kind of pressure, they just wore out. So I needed new gas shocks. And it just needed a general cleanup. So that's what I did. I found a beautiful base to put this on to replace the wood one. Pulled the parts off, I wet sanded some of the parts and then hit them with some Rust-Oleum to make sure that they don't have any oxidization. I put it all back together. And so for the price of $50, I was able to restore this beautiful heat press that still functions very well. And I don't have to spend the $2,000 it would take to replace it in today's market. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe for fun stuff that's on the way. And remember, it's always the best time to be nice to each other.